Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make this super easy crochet stitch for baby blanket. So as you can see, I have these lines like braids here, and in between we have space. So this is a single crochet. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 18, 18. Now we're going to make single crochet in each of the space. So chain 1, then to come here, as you can see over here, then get into this space from the back, then the space over here going to go in the same space from upward from the back, like so. Again here, then from the back, see, from here inside, from the back, from inside here, and from the back, here, from the back, then repeat the same. then I'm going to chain 1. So as you can see, we have one space here, and this is the braid, and this is this upper space. So from here I'm going to go right here from the back again, then again going to go right there, then right from the back, inside there, right from the back, there, go here, there. Okay, so inside here, then come right there, go through your yarn, chain 1. As you can see, we have one over here already, this one, and we have here on the back as well. So I'm going to continue, go right here, then from the back right there, then I'm going to come right here, then from the back, again from here. So it's like you put your hook right there, then you pull through your hook from the back, come here, the last, here, then right there, chain 1, and turn your roundward. You can see this is how it's going to look like. So I'll make one more row, go inside there, then right over here, then from the back, there, chain. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So you have chain of now a base here, chain of 18, then we make all the way a single crochet, then we come here as I showed you. You going to come all this way to make this braid stitches. So it's going to enter here, then from the back you're going to pull your hook and single crochet. So you're going to continue that way. It's the same as this one, as you can see, the same as this one. We have this two here, and we have 1 2, and on the back also it's the same procedure. So as you can see, 1 2. So if you want to make a blanket or a purse or a hat or a circle naps, so this is a very good stitch. You can go ahead and make them, and you can make in any color, any yarn. I suggest you to use a hook which is 3.0 millimeter or 5/0 in size. So please go ahead and make this stitch, and thank you for watching. Till next time, bye bye. Like, share and subscribe.